The Art of Managing Your Expenses, a practical guide for beginners. Are you feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Is every month a constant struggle to make ends meet? You are not alone. Millions of people face the same challenge, but today can be the day that everything changes for you. Imagine a life without financial stress, where your dreams and goals are within your reach. Want to know how to achieve it? Stay with me and discover the strategies that will transform your financial life. Welcome to my channel. Here are some financial advice tips so that people can take control of their personal finances. Like many, in the past, we have experienced the anxiety and stress of being immersed in a cycle of debt and uncontrolled spending. That is why we now dedicate our effort and our time to teaching others how to do it. In today's video, we will share 10 practical strategies that you can implement starting today to master your finances and put you on the road to financial freedom. If you are ready to change your life and build a solid future, this video is for you. 1. Create a realistic budget. The first step to taking control is knowing exactly where your money is going. Write down all your income and expenses for a month. Include everything from rent and utilities to that coffee you buy every morning. Practical example. Download a budget template or use a simple spreadsheet. Categorize your expenses and set limits based on your income. 2. Distinguish between needs and wants. Learning to differentiate between what you need and what you want is key to avoiding unnecessary expenses. Tip: before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this essential for my well-being, or is it a whim? This reflection can help you make more conscious decisions. 3. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account every time you get paid. Real benefit. By doing this, you make sure that a part of your income is allocated to savings without additional effort, encouraging the habit and avoiding the temptation to spend that money. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Review your subscriptions and monthly expenses. Do you really use all the services you pay for? Immediate action. Cancel subscriptions you don't use and look for cheaper alternatives for essential services. Use financial tracking apps. Technology can be your best ally. Apps like Mint, Monify, or Wallet allow you to monitor your expenses in real time. How it helps? These apps send you alerts when you are approaching your spending limits and provide you with reports that facilitate decision-making. Set smart financial goals. Define objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Example: saving $10,000 in 18 months for a down payment on a house is a smart goal that keeps you focused and motivated. Impulse purchases can derail your budget. Effective strategy. Apply the 48-hour rule. If you see something you want to buy, wait 2 days. If after that time you still consider it necessary and it is within your budget, then go ahead. 8. Eliminate and avoid unnecessary debt. High-interest debt can be a significant burden. Action plan. Prioritize paying off higher interest debts. Consider options such as debt consolidation or negotiate lower rates with your creditors. 9. Continuous financial education. Knowledge is power. Invest time in learning about finances, investments, and money management. Useful resources. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, or The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason are excellent starting points. 10. Surround yourself with people with similar goals. Your environment influences your financial habits. Practical action. Join online groups or forums about personal finance. Sharing experiences and advice with others can keep you motivated and engaged. You have taken an important step by seeking information and tools to improve your financial situation. Let's recap. Create a detailed budget. Differentiate needs from wants. Automate your savings. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Use financial apps. Set smart goals. Avoid impulse spending. Manage and eliminate debt. Educate yourself constantly. Surround yourself with positive influences. Remember, the road to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Every little change adds up and brings you closer to your goals. Imagine what your life would be like without financial worries, being able to enjoy more and stress less. It is possible, and it is within your reach. I invite you to implement at least one of these strategies this week. Share in the comments which one you choose and why. Your experience can inspire others. If you liked this content and think it can help more people, like it and share it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to receive more tips that will help you transform your finances. Also, as a special gift, I have prepared a free budget template that you can download from the link in the description. Start taking control of your money today. Thank you for joining me. Remember, the power to change your financial life is in your hands. See you next time.